there you have to understand that digital businesses are very different than so see, if somebody is running a manufacturing company or a shop in India, retail shop in India, they cannot move out of India to do business in another country. This is how the tax system is built to cater to those people. But suddenly, because of remote work, it is, even I did not know in 2020 that I could go to another country and work from there and my business will run fine, right? But today I'm able to do this, and many other entrepreneurs are also able to do this. They are able to go outside the country and do it. People who are selling software, people who are doing e-commerce business, people who are providing digital marketing services, people who are running a digital media company, they are extremely flexible, right? You can do this business from anywhere in the world. So high rates of another thing that is fueling people to move out of India, high rates of GST and income tax in India compared to other countries. Many Indian businesses cater to foreign businesses and customers, especially in the IT sector, in digital business sector. Many people are not just catering to India and Indian customers or Indian companies for that matter. They might be catering to US companies or Asian Chinese companies or whatever, wherever outside India. So why would they want to pay very high taxes for doing business from India? Neither they need to do business from India, nor they have to do it. They can think that, okay, can I set my business up in another place, in another country, where I can do the same business and the same activities and not pay 18% GST or not pay 30% income tax, right? So this is possible and this is happening. Workforces and digital businesses are incredibly mobile today. Just to give you an example, if people are not feeling comfortable in California or in New York, for example, in New York, the office rent has gone down to what it was in 1990s. Okay, so the rent in New York, the rent of office place was sky high. Okay, like somewhat like Mumbai in India. But even in Mumbai, the rent of residential houses have fallen and offices have also fallen. In Delhi also, the rent is falling. Rent of houses are falling. Rent of residential houses and office places are falling. Why? Because people are mobile. They don't have to be located in a very costly place. So, for example, this has been anyway happening. How many of you know that a lot of law firms have been moving out of, say, Central Delhi and Connaught Place in Delhi and moving to Noida, moving from South Delhi to Gurgaon or Noida, where office rents are cheaper, or there may be some other benefits also, but primarily cheaper real estate. So people have moved out for that. People can surely move out so that they have to pay lower taxes, and this is happening for digital businesses. A law firm cannot possibly move out of Delhi. They still need physical presence in Delhi. But if it is a software business and all their customers are located outside outside of India, then they have no reason why they have to sit in India necessarily, and they can move out, and they are moving out. That is the data showing. And not only now, 2021 is an outlier year. This was already happening in 2016, 17, 18, 19. This is pre-remote work. People who are not as used to doing remote work. Now there is a complete game change in terms of how flexible businesses are to move out. So if you're working remotely, you essentially can pick and choose which country you want to work from. The entire world is open to you. Whoever is most hospitable in terms of facilities, in terms of visa, in terms of taxation, you can simply move there and do your entire business from there. So businesses moved out rapidly from California and New York and moved to Florida and Texas in unprecedented numbers during the pandemic. Okay, primarily because they realized they can do it. Remote work, it doesn't matter. You don't have to be in Silicon Valley to run a software business or in New York to run a finance business or whatever. So people moved out. Businesses can easily move from high tax jurisdictions to low tax ones. Certain businesses, not all businesses. This is for digital businesses, right? They can easily move from high tax jurisdictions to low tax ones.